All right, so I just want to show you as I move to the Ontario Town Square, the fake sun moves as I move. That's our understanding. This is monitoring by the City of Ontario. This is not landscaping. This is activity creation and relevant positioning and light activity while the fake sun remains over me. And this is where the entity is stalking a relevant position, calling it police training across the street. That's called relevant positioning. The fake sun remains over me, and this is where the fake sun remains all day long. This is where the Ontario police are gang stalking by helicopter at 6 p.m. This is where the entity is going to keep a fake sun, like I documented, at 9:32 a.m. It's over 2500 South Archibald Avenue. Those demons police department, while it's over me, and engineer light is inside of that police department as though that's sunlight, and it's not, and it's nowhere near being anywhere near the 60 freeway, the Ontario Police Department. It's going to stay right here, where the entity is calling gang stalking police training, where the entity is stalking by helicopter. This is the entity that has no intentions of remaining, as they know they don't have a legal argument. They know they have no legitimacy, and they also know that people like Jason Fields and the gang stalking judges trying to steal my property through the Ontario police, they're going to federal prison. All right, and the unintelligent Ontario Police Department, these demons, they provide evidence against those judges. They provide evidence against those demons bearing false witness in court about my character, which is irrelevant when they never told me about any secret conservatorship. They never told me about my property. It was a criminal act at the outset. There is no legitimate investigation into me, my person, and my history. The entity engaged in that pursuant to what is gang stalking me and seeking to support what is not giving me what was mine in the beginning. They're going to federal prison. As surely as I have the Ontario police gang stalking under a fake sun that remains over me all day long, the evidence, the hard fact proof, the hard evidence of what is targeting by an entity, a public entity. And this is relevant to federal stalking. The entity is engaged in stalking by helicopter, and this is where the entity is stalking by commercial planes. And I just want to show you where is the fake sun. It's in the same position that it is at 6:26 in the evening, at 4:07 in the afternoon, at 1:07 when I'm walking toward the Ovid Family Community Library, and it's nowhere near Starbucks when I'm sitting inside of the cafe at the same time. It's currently 7:59 a.m. This is relevant to what's the context. That's crossing a path by City of Ontario. That's audible activity using a leaf blower in relevant position by the City of Ontario. Gang stalking while the police department is calling it police training, and you're not supposed to look at the substance of the matter. You're supposed to just look at the sign. They're going to federal prison. This is P.O.C.